So here's a quick mental health tip for you. When you say to yourself that you don't care what other people think about you, the next important question is to ask yourself, so what do you care about? And in mentally healthy people, they give themselves those two choices. I can pay attention to what I care about, or I can pay attention to what I don't care about. So for mentally healthy people, they have their own way of thinking about themselves. They have another way of thinking about themselves that is better than what other people think about them, stronger, more meaningful, more valuable, more impactful, more powerful to them than what other people think about them. Individuals who are mentally healthy tend to value what they think about themselves that much and value what other people think about themselves that much. And so they're not easily affected by everything everyone thinks about them, by everything everyone says about them, because they have their own way of thinking and they value how they think about themselves. So mentally healthy people would not feel the need to say, I don't care what you think about me, because they're occupied with what they think about themselves, what they actually care about. But people who are mentally unhealthy, people who have insecurities that they're not even aware of, would find themselves repeatedly saying, I don't care what other people think about me. But then that's the only thing to care about not caring what other people think about them, because they haven't created another choice, another alternative. They don't have a way of thinking of themselves. They don't have a way of speaking to themselves. And so the thing that's in front of them to pay attention to is to not care about what other people think about them. And sometimes they keep repeating this, I don't care what other people think about me, emphatically, as a way to invalidate what other people are saying, as a way to reduce the pain that they're experiencing from actually caring what other people think about them. They're trying to soothe the wound, because what other people think about them actually hurt them, because they haven't quite created a way of thinking of themselves. And so that's why they have to keep repeating, I don't care what other people say, as a way of coping with that pain of actually caring what other people think about them. So the tip today is, when you tell yourself that you don't care what other people think about you, the next important question must be, so what do you care about? And that gives you two choices. I can think what I want about you. You can think what you want about me. That's the freedom we all have. It is not your job to try and change what other people think about you. But it is your job, it is within your control to choose how you want to think about yourself and how that affects you. So if you find yourself repeating that phrase, I don't care what other people think about me, I don't care what other people say about me, and you catch yourself repeating it, then there's probably an insecurity that lies within that expression that you need to pay attention to and deal with.